Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Krispy Klawz Donut Cat Toys. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item and over 600 have been purchased in the past month alone. Are you ready to treat your cat to the ultimate playtime experience? Introducing Krispy Klawz Donut Cat Toys, the irresistible toy that's as fun as it is adorable. These donut-shaped toys are crafted with durable, claw-friendly materials and infused with premium catnip to keep your feline friend entertained for hours. From pouncing to batting, Krispy Klawz toys are designed to stimulate your cat's natural hunting instinct while providing a satisfying playtime snack, minus the calories. Plus, they come in vibrant donut-inspired designs like frosted sprinkles and chocolate drizzle, making them as cute in your home as they are fun for your cat. Whether you're looking to bust boredom or spoil your furry companion, Krispy Klawz Donut Cat Toys are the perfect choice. Give your cat the gift of endless entertainment and watch them go wild. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.